Most of your time spent driving is in a straight line, but occasionally you need to turn. This is why a differential is useful. In this case, all 4 internal gears rotate with the ring gear. Notice 1 ring gear rotation equals 2 wheel rotations, 1 left, 1 right.
These include the drive shaft with connected pinion gear, the ring gear, left and right internal gears, and internal idler gears. Here we show the differential performing a left-handed corner. In a left turn, the outside or right wheel must travel a longer distance than the inside wheel. This differential gearing arrangement allows the ring gear's rotational velocity to be divided unequally between the wheels. 1 ring gear rotation still equals 2 wheel rotations. Left wheel equals 1/4 revolution, right wheel equals 1 3/4 revolutions, totaling to 2 revolutions. For drivers that encounter snow and ice on a regular basis, this video segment might look familiar. When one driven wheel is on pavement and the other is on a patch of ice, the latter will spin freely while the vehicle stays at rest. Wheel slip is one drawback to the open differential mechanism. A limited slip differential, not shown, was later developed to solve this. 1 ring gear rotation still equals 2 wheel rotations. Left wheel equals 0 revolutions, right wheel equals 2 revolutions, totaling to 2 revolutions. If you were to raise your car so that both driven wheels are off the ground, these wheels will spin freely. But as you spin one wheel, the opposing wheel will counter-rotate or rotate in the opposite direction. This will occur even with the transmission in park or in gear for a manual transmission. Notice the drive shaft and ring gear do not move.
Hey there! Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.